Welcome back to the TrainTech YouTube channel. In this video, we shall show you how to set up and operate our very own PMS2 point switch. Just like everything else in our extensive range, these point switches have been designed to make things as easy as possible for you in terms of setting up and operating. These switches are compatible with most 2-wire point motors from Kato and even G-scale point motors from Pico and LGB. First, let's get our point motor set up, and on this small demo we have used the Kato Unitrack left-hand turnout, which comes complete with a motor and wires already installed. Now, on your switch you will see two sets of terminal blocks, one for your power wires and the other for your points, and it's this block that we will focus on first. Since these are screw terminals, no soldering is required, and you simply insert the two wires into the block and tighten the screws up to secure them in place. Whilst wiring up your switch, it's important to remember to keep your power switched off to avoid any potential damage to you or your switch. Once you have attached your point cables, now attach your power wires to the appropriate terminal block. The PMS2 requires either a smooth 9 to 16 volt DC or DCC power input. And now you're set up and ready to turn your power back on. Once power is on, you will see that one of the green LEDs is now lit up. These LEDs represent the position of your point so that you always know where your point is facing. As you can see, the switch operates extremely quickly with a fast charging CDU installed, which offers instantaneous point changes. And it is as simple as that. Whilst you can leave your PMS2 switch as it is, you can also mount them onto a mimic panel as shown here. You can also buy additional LED colours and change them to whichever colour you want, as well as the toggle toppers. You may also wish to shorten the LED legs, but do make a note of the polarity before doing so. And this is how one looks when you purchase one from our website or our shop down here at Ford. We also sell these as a 3-pack, which will save you money if you have many point motors to wire up. And that is all there is to it. If you've heard enough, follow the link in the description to purchase one right now. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate to call us on 01903 884488 or send us an email at traintech@gagemaster.co.uk. And that is all for today's video. Goodbye from us at TrainTech, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.